Now that I got all those panels washed and cleaned, I'll go over a little bit more details later on in the video of how my plans have already changed. We need to turn our attention to the body now and remove the last little remaining bits of things that are attached to the body. We got this little trim piece over the window, obviously the quarter window, the weather stripping, and then we have the door latch lock that needs to be removed as well. So we're going to go ahead and get that all off the car and then start cleaning up all the rest of the actual body exterior panels that are on the chassis. All right, now that we have the passenger side done, the seal's removed, the window trim is removed, the quarter glass is removed, and I was even able to get off of to remove the emblem here without cracking it. So we're gonna see if we can't do the same thing on this side. Alright, so all of the emblems are removed, the trim's removed, the seal plates are removed, the door striker, and any other remaining weather strip is off of there, so we're ready to move on to the next step, which unfortunately is not going to be what I planned on, which was just giving everything a sand and scuff with either 180 to 220 grits, and then getting ready to throw some epoxy primer on top of that. Unfortunately, yesterday when I washed all of the panels, over half of them had various cracks and lifting of the paint that's already on there. So that to me indicates that the paint, the original paint that's on the car, is already starting to fail. So me being me, I'm not going to just scuff and spray stuff on top of something that's already failing. So that leads me to the next step of this project, which is going to be stripping it to bare metal. That's going to be covered in another episode. If you want to see that one, go ahead and click the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notifications, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about what I'm doing or why. I'll be happy to answer them at a later date. I appreciate it, as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.